Hi, so my name is Benoit Romac. It's a pleasure to introduce my car, which is a Porsche 993 GT2 EVO from 1998. It's a car which has been built initially by Manthey Racing. And I bought the car in 2016 to race in historic races. We won the French Historic Championship back in 2018 with this car, and now we are racing with Peter Otto series in Endurance Racing Legends. We won the championship in 2021 with this car, and this year we won Le Mans Classic in our category as well. So I'm very proud of this car, which is fantastic. It's a 3.6 or 3.8 engine. We have two configurations on the car, twin turbo. We are running with air restrictors due to the historic races regulation. So therefore the car does not deliver the output it could deliver. Without restrictors, this car could reach up to 700 horsepower. But with the restrictor, we are at 550 brake horsepower, which is already enough. But obviously, on a racetrack like Spa, after the Rédillon and just before Blanchimont, you would enjoy to have a few more kilometers still on the car with a bit more power. As I said, this car is a real wonder to own and to continue to race. So how the car behaves, actually compared to a modern Porsche, what you have to continuously combat with this car is the understeer. There is a lot of weight on the rear axle, of course, with just the architecture of the car. You have 60% of the weight on the rear axle and only 40% on the front. So the car has a natural tendency to understeer, and so you have to continuously adapt to that. So of course, when you engage the car in the corners, you have to properly balance the car so that it turns. What also is quite interesting on this car, especially on Spa, is it's actually fairly well settled on the fast corners. So going through Eau Rouge or through Blanchimont, for example, or Pouhon, the car actually can engage in quite some high level of speed. I think we exit Blanchimont at 215 kilometers an hour, so which is not too bad for an old grandmother. So yeah, the car actually is pretty light as well. It's 1150 kilos in total. The brakes are just amazing. The car really brakes hard. When you hit the braking pedal, you can actually really stop the car in a short distance. So yeah, overall it's a car that keeps you busy behind the wheel, but actually it's pretty efficient. And for a racetrack like Spa, actually is a real wonder to race.